STM32 audio, and then add-ons PDM, and here we have a live PDM filter for Cortex M4 devices, so we can add this CM Keil. Okay, now let's compile it. Of course, now it is not giving any error, so it compiles successfully. Okay, so now let's click on a function. Here you can see we have these files, as well as BSP supports for accelerometer. So here we need to just call these two functions. One is the Bsp Accelerometer Initialization, and Bsp Accelerometer get XYZ value. Okay, so let's come into the main. This is main file, and let's say first let me declare a variable. Okay, here, so it must be, let's say, int 16 underscore t, and let's say make it xyz, and array size will be 3. Because of that, it will store a value of xyz. Okay, and then come here, we only need to add 3 lines of code here. First line, we will just simply initialize accelerometer. What we can do, we can just copy it from here, and then we can paste it here. Okay, just press a 2 tab here, and then remove a word. Okay, okay, sorry, so it is we cannot initialize it into the while one. Okay, we need to initialize it here, and after that, what we need here, now we need to call, sorry, now we need to read the xyz values. Okay, copy it from here and paste it into while one loop. Okay, and then give the address of xyz variable, so simply just write here xyz. Now here you can see it is giving some type of warning. That means this function that means program didn't find this function into the given files. It means that it found into the given files, but still there is some error into the linking. So let's compile it. Definitely it will give some error here. So these functions are declared implicitly. Okay, but okay, sorry, it is not giving any error, but still we need to give a path to the header files to make it working. So we need to give the address to the files. Before giving address to the files, sorry, we need to give the path to the include files. So come into the C and ++ and click on here, then create a new, click on here, then again we need to go back into the Keil version 5, then into ARM, and then pack, then Keil STM32F4 DFP, and then into the driver, then into the Bsp, and here we need to give STM32 Discovery F4 Discovery address. Okay, now let's compile it. I think we are missing one more thing here. We need to add here accelerometer.h header files. So what we can do, we can come here, and if I expand it, okay, so we can find here accelerometer header files. So we need to add these header files there. Okay, just copy it and paste it into the main. Paste it into the main header files, discovery, then underscore accelero. So let's compile it. Now you will find 0 error and 0 warning. So I have connected my board here, you can see, with my computer. Now it is compiled. Let's click on the debug button, and now it will debug this code, and we will see the data into the watch window. So what we can do, we can click on here, and we can add it into the watch window, and we can copy, we can drag it here. Fine, just right click on here and then unclick the hexadecimal value. Now it is giving 0, and let's run it. If you run it, you can see here some values, and now I'm going to move my board. See, I'm moving my board. So the accelerometer, the first one is the X, next one is the Y, and last one is the Z. See, I'm moving my board, and see how this accelerometer value is changing. So in this program we have interfaced, we have programmed accelerometer on STM32F4 Discovery Board, and into the next tutorial we will see some more examples. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for more videos and subscribe it for getting up to date. Thanks for watching.